Hey there, future tech trailblazers. Are you ready to turn your creative ideas into awesome online businesses, brilliant apps, and mind-blowing robotic inventions? Welcome to Tech Time Cincinnati's NextGen AI program, the ultimate place to spark your curiosity, unleash your inner entrepreneur, and step confidently into the future. Imagine launching your very own t-shirt brand or building a YouTube channel that keeps subscribers coming back for more. Picture yourself designing incredible apps, tinkering with robots, and discovering how to use cutting-edge AI tools to supercharge your success. At NextGen AI, you'll get the skills, the know-how, and the confidence to make all of this happen, and have a blast doing it. Our expert mentors are here to guide you every step of the way. They're real-life entrepreneurs and tech pros who'll show you the ropes. No boring lectures, just hands-on fun and challenges that get you ready to take on the world. Plus, you'll connect with new friends who share your interests, collaborate in exciting workshops, and network with industry pros at our monthly events. It's like hanging out with a squad of future CEOs, inventors, and digital rock stars. Drumroll, please. Here's the breakdown. Classes run Monday through Friday, 2 p.m. to 7 p.m., so you've got time to learn and balance school life. Workshops and networking. Every first Sunday of the month from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m., meet up with big thinkers, talk tech trends, and get inspired. You'll learn it all. Business planning, digital marketing, AI integration. Everything you need to build and grow your online venture. Real-world experience. Test your ideas in real time. Watch your business grow, tweak your strategy, and celebrate your wins. This is your chance to become a tech pioneer, developing skills that let you shape the world around you. Whether you dream of creating the next hit app, streamlining businesses with AI, or just want to understand the digital world better, NextGen AI will set you on the path to success. Don't wait. The future starts now. Sign up today and let's redefine what's possible. Together. Because the future? It's all in your hands, innovators. Join NextGen AI at Tech Time Cincinnati, and let's turn your dreams into digital reality.